Okay, I'm going to show you how quickly you can add a sales page to your WordPress blog once the 60-second sales pages package is installed. So let's just go to add new page, and I'll put an A on the front of it just so we can find it easily. A test page, and I'm going to add a sales page, so I've selected that over here. I'm going to select one of them, number 6 say, and you'll notice that down here when you select the sales page radio button, you get a whole load of sales template options. If you choose squeeze page, you get squeeze page options. So I'm going to load the presets. Okay, I'm going to grab that suggested HTML. I'm going to paste it in there, flip back into visual mode, and publish my page. And we're done. So let's just take a look at that page now. And there we are. Less than 60 seconds. Isn't that cool? Now you'll notice that there's a lot of the fields are already filled in, and that's what happened when we loaded up the presets. And what happens is all these fields here that you'll need to fill in for your sales page, they're automatically filled in when you load a preset. They usually aren't custom template presets, so you generally don't need to check this button. Okay, so just load presets and all these fields get populated, and it's sort of a starting point for you to get started with your sales page so that you know where everything is. And it also creates, as you saw, this suggested HTML field here. Okay, so that's what I did. I pasted the suggested HTML in HTML mode into here, and then flipped back into visual mode just to see what it would look like. And you'll notice that there's a footer being added. This is an additional tag, and if we look here you'll see, oh no it isn't, or is it? Yes it is, it's on a white background. You don't usually need that footer. There are a couple of the templates you do need it. Most of them have got the footer already integrated, so we'll just update that. There we go, it's gone. And you'll notice as well that each of these fields down here, you'll see they've got these tags in there, shortcode tags. So it's product, comment 1 for the testimonial boxes, comment 2, comment 3, certificate, purchase, PS, and that's it. Okay, and then what you do is wherever you want the fields to appear within your copy, that's where you place them. So if we just take a quick look at the sales page that we've put up now before we do anything else with it, you can see that there's a pre-headline, a headline and a sub-headline, and those are all fixed in place within the design of this particular template. Okay, so you can see the fields here. Pre-headline, set the reader up for your main headline with a question or teaser. Then you've got your main headline, and you can see I've used some HTML tag in there, break tag, to push that down onto the next line. And you can use HTML in most of these fields. Then we've got the sub headline and the suggested HTML we've already covered. Then we get to the interesting stuff, the product box. Okay, so you'll see that this product tag is used right at the top of the suggested HTML. Okay, and that product tag is responsible for creating this product box on here. Okay, if you don't want it right at the beginning like that and you want to move it down a little, what you can do is you can just remove that, control X that, and I'm going to insert it there instead. So let's just update, and if I reload now, you'll see that the product box has moved down to where I inserted it. And you can do that to move all of these fields around. So if you don't want the testimonials there, or you want them all, you know, spread out through your copy, then you can just do that by using these moving these comment 1, comment 2 and comment 3 fields. The same applies for the certificate. When you want the certificate to appear, you just put certificate wherever you want it to appear, and there it is. And the same here with the purchase tag, and you can put this in multiple times. So maybe you want the purchase tag there, then you've got your PS, and maybe you want right at the bottom you want the purchase tag again. So just update that, reload, and you see the purchase tag is there, PS is, and the purchase tag is there again. And all of the text on these is editable. In many cases the order button text itself is editable. In this particular design it isn't, it's fixed on the page, and you'll see that you can, all the fields that you can change throughout here. So here's the purchase options. So order now is the purchase title, then you can have some purchase content. Yes, I'd really like to purchase your product. Then an add to cart text, which as I said doesn't work on this particular one. A purchase link, and then your PS data. Now you'll notice that with this design, I just spotted the PS here. If we just look at the selection source for that, you can see it's an H3 tag, and I think by default the preset creates H2 tags. So yes, it does. So if we just change those to H3, and we update, you'll see they all look the same now. It's all down to however the designer has put the particular sales page together. If you don't like the sales page for some reason, then you can just go and choose another one. So for example, let's try number 19. Update, and let's just view that in another page, and you can see it's a similar design, but you can see it's also quite different. Yeah, and you can do that, you can play around until you find a design that suits you and your product and the way you want it to appear. So let's just try another one. 46. Let's just open that in a new tab, and yeah, you can see again that's quite a different sales page design, but all the content is appearing in where you'd expect it to do, based on what you've filled in the editor here. So you can write all your sales copy, insert the tags where you want these elements, these template options to appear, and the plugin will just make them appear within your sales page. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye.